Hello there. So while working with chromedriver and its application for web automation, you might have encountered this particular problem where once you run the code, you get an issue saying that runtime error 33, session not created error, and the version of the Chrome driver only supports Chrome version 139. So this typically happens when your Chrome driver is not matching with the version of the Chrome driver is not matching with your Chrome's version. So this can be easily solved. So what you do is go to Google, search for Selenium Chrome driver download. So you have a particular link over here, and then you will have this one, this one. Comfort testing, comfort testing, comfort testing. Yeah, this particular link here, and you look for the stable one. You look for the Chrome driver, and for me it is a Windows 64-bit. So I go to this, then I download it. Alright, so now what I look for is the location where my Selenium is installed. So typically it is in, it shall be under users, under mine, app data, local, Selenium basic. So here you see there is already one Chrome driver which is currently out of date. So what I do is Explorer, and this one I replace it into the Selenium basic, replace the file. So before that I end it, and then I try again. That's it. So this is now updated. So once I open, now everything should work fine, and it is all working fine. That is how it is.